Take photo of it first.
Yeah?
Yeah, I can do for you.
Take photo of me.
Yes.
Okay.
Excuse me, this one, right?
Yeah, you can push this one.
Yep. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, take photo.
I have to.
Yeah, I know.
It's long time, you know.
Capture. Take photo.
Yes, I take it.
I think. You can try again. If
Okay.
it says capture, it takes photo.
1, 2, 3. Why no happen? Again, please. 1, 2, 3. 3. Can you look this when I take this picture? Or this one video, right?
Yeah. Yeah, so I was messing around with my camera, but I think it was still filming. So a little update about the breakfast. It's okay, it's a 179 baht breakfast, not the 99 baht, that's in the other Retox in Thailand. So I tried this one, the bacon is okay. I prefer it to be baked a little bit more, but I had to ask it in front, I think. Mushrooms are very nice, I like them. Bacon is fried well, baked well, sunny side up, like I asked. About the sausage, I really like the sausage because it doesn't have those big parts inside, you know, those big fatty parts, and this is more a nice cut. I really like the sausage. How you English people call this, hash? Some potato thing. I'm not a really big fan of it, but it's okay. But I had better ones, I think. The tomato is baked well. It's a nice taste that goes along with the eggs and everything. Toast, big toast. Big glass of fruit juice and a nice big coffee. So yeah, you can't go wrong with it. If I have to give points out of 10, it's a little bit pricey. The taste is okay, it's good. It's not the best, but it's still good. I would give it a 7, 7.5 out of 10. So I'm waiting now for my friends to come. I will show their breakfast also. Out for now. Let's have a look. Yeah, they all look like the same. It's just James Brown here. He ordered the scrambled eggs.
Yeah.
And they all get red bean sauce, tomato sauce, and the black pudding. I didn't order that. And ketchup on the egg here. Yeah, it's about the same. Did you get the extra sausage? Yeah. Oh. So later you can tell us how much out of 10. Huh? I gave it 7, 7.5. It was good, but the price is a little bit higher. That's the reason. Otherwise, it would be an 8. Yeah. As you can see, they wear my shirts now here at the Retox. The staff shirts. So guys, you're almost finished. So I'm gonna ask you how much out of 10, Mr. James LeBron, what do you think? If you consider the price also, everything, the atmosphere.
Considering I can go get an amazing pad thai for 60 baht.
Yeah. But yeah, you can't compare it with Thai food. No, you have to compare it with other Western breakfast. What do you think?
Well, it's pretty good. Black pudding's a no-no.
Yeah, only the black pudding wasn't that good.
Yeah,
but
no,
the rest,
I still like my bubble sweet. It's good. So yeah, I'd give it maybe 6, 7, lean down to a 6.5 for the
6.5.
price.
Yeah. No, it's fair. It's fair.
But I have had a lot better.
Yeah.
I don't know. But yes,
It's pretty good, like,
yes
a bit of it, yeah.
at mine on the amazing buffet, best breakfast, like best breakfast in Thailand. Okay.
I'd give it an 8, I reckon.
Mr. James Dean gives it
It's
an 8.
really nice, but the black pudding is...
Yeah, only the black pudding.
I
Yeah.
just don't like black pudding, so maybe...
Yeah, me neither. So I don't order
I
it.
can't say it's like good or bad, but
I don't order it.
yeah, I think it's good. And it's not that pricey, you get a lot of food. So, the bacon's really good, the sausages are really good, the bread's nice, they've got low pack butter,
Yeah.
8 out of 10. Yeah.
And the London Pride, what is it?
Oh, 11 out of 10.
It's good, yeah.
Amazing, yeah. Real beer.
I never had it, I think.
It is very nice.
Mrs. Kwan, what do you think?
Out of 10, how much you rate? 10 being highest, 1 being 5.
Yeah, but it's not really Thai food. It's Western. Yeah.
The ketchup was a 5.
She used half the bottle of ketchup, so that says it all, I think. But fair enough. And Mr. Varun,
So I'll give
what
it
is
a
your
7.
opinion?
So I'll give it a 7 out of 10.
7. Oh, that's
So I did
still
not like the black pudding and
No.
the hash brown,
okay.
but yeah, rest everything is good.
That's my opinion also. Yeah, the hash brown was a little bit flat, and yeah, but the rest was okay. Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Nice. So guys, you had it. Fair opinion about the breakfast here at the Retox. Game on, enjoy honey, and see you in another food review. Bye bye. But the girls were really funny.
Oh my god.